How can engineering leaders increase engagement in their teams? This is a critical thing because engagement means that people care and want to do great work in the organization. It improves loyalty and productivity and innovation. And so if you're low engagement, you're going to have a problem with productivity and retention. So let's talk about that here in this video. Hey there, my name is Jeff Perry. I'm a leadership and career development expert and author of The Intentional Engineer. And today we're talking about how engineering leaders can increase engagement in their teams. So just to define engagement for a moment, it's the degree of involvement, enthusiasm, and commitment that employees have towards their work in the organization. Or put very simply, engagement is the fact that people care about what they're doing and who they're doing it with, right? Do they care? Engaged employees are productive, innovative, and loyal compared to disengaged ones, and they're going to stick around. So if you want to improve engagement in your employees, this is very important. Let's talk about 5 ways you can do that. Number 1 is give autonomy. Autonomy is freedom and ability to make decisions and act independently without overly supervising or controlling what they're doing. So as a leader, we need to give our team members this autonomy to delegate the right tasks, make sure the goals and the commitments they're making are clear, and also make sure that we give them a little bit of flexibility. And that leads into number 2 is be flexible with how people grow their careers. Career growth is the opportunity to support our employees and develop their skills. So we want to understand how they want to grow and figure out how does that line up with the business needs and the team needs so that we can support people in growing the way they want to and also grow collectively as a team and an organization. So we want to be flexible, not just rigid. Everyone needs to grow the same way because every person is a little bit different. So find ways to provide the resource, the guidance, and the feedback to help people grow in the way that they're going to be excited about. Number 3, encourage learning continuously. Now, if people learn and they feel like they're growing personally, they're acquiring new knowledge, they're applying new skills, they're going to be much more likely to be engaged because they feel like, hey, I'm not just plateauing, right? When someone feels like they've learned everything and they're just doing the same thing day after day after day, that's a ripe recipe for disengagement. But when people feel like they're learning, growing, and progressing in their skills and abilities, they're going to be much more engaged. So give people training, mentoring, coaching, and other feedback to help them do that. Number 4, have productive challenges. Make sure that you're challenging people in fun and exciting ways. You want that to be difficult but achievable. Require them to stretch their abilities and also learn new things related with the last one we talked about that give them those learning opportunities. And so you want to challenge them, assign them projects that are also aligned with the way that they want to grow their skills and their interests and their personal goals. So you're trying to always find ways to align what you're trying to do and the challenge you're giving them to align with what your employees and the people on your team are trying to accomplish. And 4 is make sure to continue to bring it back to the mission and the why you're doing what you're doing. This mission is the purpose and the direction that directs the work of your team and the organization. So leaders need to repeat this often to make sure that their team members understand the vision and the purpose and the values and the goals of the team and the organization. It's your job to do that. And then their work will be more aligned with that. They'll see themselves as a part of something bigger than just themselves, and the task that's in front of them is connected to something bigger and the reason why the team and the organization exists in general. So make sure to repeat this mission often to help inspire them and create that increased engagement. So 5 things: give autonomy, offer flexible career growth, encourage continuous learning, have productive challenges, and repeat that mission often. And as you do so, you're going to find that you're going to grow and your team is going to foster this increased engagement and do some of the best work they've ever done together. My name is Jeff Perry. I'm a leadership and career development expert, and I love helping teams improve their engagement and success together. And I'd love to talk about how I can help you and your team and your organization do this. Please reach out. Let's connect. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. And we'll see you on the next video.